Hello, this is the news channel of New York City. And now here is the latest coronavirus news. Kaiser In-N-Out site of active COVID-19 outbreak. The Kaiser Station location of In-N-Out Burger has been included in a report released by the Oregon Health Authority as the site of an active workplace outbreak of COVID-19. The area's first location of the popular California-based restaurant chain, the Kaiser restaurant, has reported 5 COVID-19 cases. This total may represent both restaurant employees and also other persons linked to the outbreak, which may include non-employee household members and other close contacts. Details of the report only include outbreaks of workplaces with at least 30 workers that include 5 or more COVID-19 cases. The 5 cases associated with In-N-Out are considered an active workplace outbreak because there has been a documented case within the past 28 days. The investigation into the restaurant outbreak began on July 18 with the most recent case documented on July 29. Any suspected workplace outbreak is required to be reported to local public health authorities. Businesses with documented outbreaks are not required to cease operations, but the OA requires employers work with public health authorities to determine which workers had close, prolonged contact with the sick employee that might put them at risk of COVID-19 exposure. A company representative was unavailable for comment on specifics of the Kaiser outbreak or the restaurant's response. The Kaiser In-N-Out location remains open for business, offering both dine-in and drive-thru service. Oregon coronavirus updates: outbreak reported at Salem Berry Processor. In-N-Out was the only restaurant in Marion and Polk counties included in the weekly report, though several area food processing companies including Pan American Berry Growers, Norpac and Woodburn's Bruce Pack are also considered active outbreak sites. In-N-Out reports 5 COVID-19 cases. The immensely popular burger chain has had 5 cases of COVID-19 linked to the site. It becomes the first restaurant in Marion and Polk counties linked to an outbreak. The most popular spot in town for the past 8 months has now become the Kaiser's first site of a COVID-19 outbreak linked to a restaurant. In-N-Out Burger at Kaiser Station, 6280 Kaiser Station Boulevard, was listed as reporting 5 cases of COVID-19 in the Oregon Health Authority's weekly report on coronavirus spread throughout the state. In-N-Out has had 5 cases linked to the site. OA officials launched an investigation on July 18 and the most recent onset of symptoms was listed as July 29. Symptoms of COVID-19 can take up to 2 weeks to present themselves. Symptoms of COVID-19 include cough, fever, shortness for breath, fatigue, headache and body aches, among others. State and local public health officials work intensively with staff at workplaces where outbreaks are identified to isolate sick workers, test and quarantine those who have been exposed and implement workplace changes to reduce risk of transmission, the report states. OA does not report on deaths linked to workplaces. Only workplaces with at least 30 workers and 5 confirmed cases are included in the report. In-N-Out shifted to drive-thru service only when Oregon went into lockdown, but reopened its dining room area as Oregon began its phased reopening. It is not known whether In-N-Out altered its hours or methods as a result of the outbreak. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share video. See you the next videos.